best waves I've ever surfed in a New Zealand comp right there. But it was like a just frothing around in a free surf.
The waves are pumping right now. Yeah, just lost on bump. It got better and better all day, so it's pretty amazing, you know, get out there and get some of those waves. And I didn't expect to get this good of waves, you know, so it's like a dream right now.
And got the score, so yeah, I'm stoked. Yeah, the conditions have been so good. The last couple of days, it's just been offshore and 4 foot, crazy. It's probably the best waves I've had for a contest in my life.
Rip Curl Pro, presented by Nature Valley's winner 2013. Okay.